TSX is a natural addition to the St. George team. We were already working on spodumene, clays for lithium recovery. We were already working on nickel. The industry is challenged with battery recycling, environmental issues. This allows for complete recycling of batteries into usable forms and the recovery of critical elements, as well as an environmentally friendly solution. In addition, this brings St. George to complete solutions, battery and resources. CIMS is a facility that was developed for another purpose, and it's a natural evolution for them and for us to create a critical element development site and pilot plant. It's oversized from a point of view of what a normal pilot plant would be, but it actually allows us to grow into the battery recycling as well. This is the mineral processing facility at CIMS, where we prep the materials before going to hydrometallurgy, which we will see shortly. This is fully equipped with automatic feeders and segregators. We even have magnetic separation to take out steel. Here we can do everything from crushing, grinding, calcining, prepping, and this is the dirty area, so we keep this in a separate building from the portion that makes the critical elements. So this is where the magic happens. Behind me you'll see the vats and the tanks that where the hydrometallurgy occurs. This will cover all types of hard rocks, spodumene, clays, as well as battery recycling after segregation, where the black mass will be fed to, and for the critical element recovery. When we say critical elements, lithium, nickel, cobalt, cadmium, whatever's out there, the process is very similar for spodumene and for the batteries. What we're building here and the way it's being done will allow us to roll out in a modular way, strategically based on population bases and needs around the world. We don't want to re-engineer each time. So once this is tweaked, this will be the way we roll out across the industry, and we'll do it strategically. If someone already has the black mass, we'll add the processing. If someone has just the batteries, we bring in the segregation, preparation, and it'll be the same for spodumene. Everything is here outside of a few elements. We've got the mineral processing, the prepping. Shredder should arrive sometime this month or early October, and there's a few purification units that are expected to arrive this month. We expect to be in a position to be operating and running the pilot plant in October.